I have to make the second cake because yesterday I ran out of milk and I was too slack to go to the shop. Because I went there already and I'm like, didn't know I don't have milk at all because somebody drank all the milk. So I'm putting the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. 1/2 cup of oil. That's the Crisco brand. I finally got one yesterday as well. 2 beaten eggs. This is just one mix it all recipe, so it's not very complicated. And then this is buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then fill the cup with milk. The rest is milk. So that's it. This is my homemade vanilla extract. That's the last bit. I have another bottle there that's brewing and it should be ready soon as well. That's it, done. And I'll just mix it and go over on the other side of the kitchen. And I have my hot water ready because I have to pour. Oh shit! I have to pour that here once this is mixed thoroughly. 1 cup of hot water with 1 tablespoon of strong espresso or coffee. So that's it. Hang on, I'll just turn this off and I'll get my, I just made a big mess here. I use this coffee. I pour everything there so I don't have to deal with the container. I'll just chuck it in the bin. And then this is boiling hot water, just boiled, so just mix it all together. Oh no, the coffee is a bit hard because it was left over, so mix this more. So I only came home around 10:30 because I was at the beach in Emu Park. Spent some time there overnight. And then I didn't went home straight away. I went to the beach area and had a walk and sat there quietly and enjoy the wind. It was windy. It's a lovely day at the beach today, but I have to go home and make the cake and organize sleepover party tonight for my second child. It's my second child's birthday. My good looking, yikes, can you dance that here? So this should be okay. I am super dizzy, lack of sleep, and I don't know, my blood pressure fluctuated yesterday. I don't know why.
We don't have to be there until 12, by the way.
What?
We don't have to be there until 12.
In the evening?
No, in half an hour.
Yeah. I'm just putting this in the oven and then I'm done. It's almost done. Slipping through my fingers. Oh shit. So I still have to make the caramel, salted caramel for the middle. Okay. Now I put it in the oven. My father's bored. When are you gonna, is your husband gonna go fishing?
I don't know yet. Him now not
Busy?
home, busy. Always go out.
He's got another wife now. I saw you guys went out. Did you go on a date? Sushi.
Sushi, yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
love sushi.
Yeah, yeah. This one, you want to go?
I like going sushi, yeah.
This
Not today.
This one have
Where?
the shop,
Where is that?
the chocolate.
Yeah, the one that...
In the, you know, chocolate sushi shop.
Yeah, the one near NAB?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always go there with the kids. They love it.
But they got soup also. Yummy.
Soup, yeah. I like the sushi.
Yeah, plenty sushi
I
too.
like the fish and.
But him just come one day and then go back again.
Huh?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Nothing.
So I finished making the caramel sauce, salted caramel. So I'm just gonna drip this here. I have to add a little bit of corn flour to it because it's not thick enough for me to drizzle it. So I only use this to stick the two cake together and give yummy flavor on it. Yeah. Salted caramel is good. That's it. Yum. Should have just ordered cheesecake, no? Why make your life hard when it's easier to buy cheesecake? But no, I haven't baked a cake for a while and I need some stuff in the freezer because I like it when we crave chocolate cake and it's available in the freezer straight away. 'Cause I prefer this chocolate cake than store-bought one. Unless it's cheesecake, because I'm not good at making cheesecake. I haven't tried. I did try when the kids were younger, but now it's easier to make one. Okay, I need to be quick with this because it's melting in my hand. So I'm just gonna make some. See, I'm not even good at piping. Told you I'm not good at designing.
Beep it out. Yay.